Got a couple trees down today. A couple of ash. Got a black locust down as well. Walk this tree. This little seesaw. Get those limbs off of that real quick. That way it look like it doesn't even come close to it. Yeah, getting some wood done. All done with the electrical walt today. Didn't run any gas machines today. Didn't feel like putting chaps on, and yeah, getting stinky. So just electric saw. Took down most of these trees. So if you're going to use the 20 volt chainsaw, just put a flex volt 60 volt on it. It just changes it way more stronger, and it doesn't bog at all. So yeah, use your 60 volts on the chainsaws. But yeah, gotta clean this pile up, get this going. We're gonna down some more. Everything with an X on it is gonna get taken care of. There's one there with an X. There's one there, obviously, with an X. And then there's a few back there with X's as well. But that's what we got going on today. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing. Almost to 1,000 subscribers. I'm at about 1,800 watch hours. Got to get to 4,000 to get monetized. Thank you so much for watching. We got to go eat some dinner ourselves, or some lunch per se, and feed the ducks and give some ducks some water. Air compressor is good to go. Got vinegar soaked in it overnight. Dumped it out today, flushed it with water, neutralized the acid, and now we're just air drying it, and we're gonna put it back together once we get the check valve. Thanks for tuning in. This is what we got going on in the wood yard. Got to take wood down, bring wood up, all in the same day, and then we'll take a walk up here and we'll show you the progress from today of what we accomplished. This electric saw is out of bar oil currently, so I can't really do any more cutting until I get more bar oil in it. So I gotta head back up the shop. I'd say it's a very successful day. This is some yarding logs by hand. Some 10-footers in there. Husqvarna firewood hook, highly recommend for logs. Makes moving these things a breeze. But yeah, I got some nice wood yarded up. Like, ready for processing. Big old disc going by. Tractor implement. Got the wood pile uncovered, getting some sun. Check out these guys, see how they're doing. Chirp, 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 chirp. If you guys need some water, I'll do the nice thing, because your biological owners suck. They're not my ducks. I'm just taking care of these, by the way. These are not mine. Just making that clear now.